Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest smartphone from Samsung under the A series, this Samsung Galaxy A30. So Samsung Galaxy A30 was announced a couple of weeks back, so we couldn't get hold of a device. So right now we have the Samsung Galaxy A30 with us. So we'll do a quick unboxing and hands-on and camera samples of this device. So this device is the latest mid-range offering in India, and this is price 16,999, and this comes with the Infinity U display, and it also has the dual camera setup. There is 4000 mAh capacity battery, 4G LTE. It has an octa-core processor, 6.4 inches HD plus full HD plus Super AMOLED display, 16 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, and it has 64 gigabyte storage and 4 gigabyte RAM being offered. So that's the Samsung Galaxy A30. So we'll do a quick unboxing. So as usual, this device has the Indian SIM card only. So in case you want to activate it, you have to use this Indian SIM card, and then once you activated it, you can use any other SIM card. So that's the Samsung Galaxy A30. So now let's get started with unboxing. So let's open the box. So there you go. So I'm just taking this out. So here we get a case included. So let's just take this case out. So there you go. That's the quick start guide available, and there you go. Then some regional guide is also included, warranty, and this is the TPU case which is included with the box package. Now let's take the device out. So we have the blue variant of the device. It actually looks really good in the blue color. So let's just take this out. That's the Samsung Galaxy A30 in the blue color. So it looks really good. The finishing looks really nice. It is kind of glass finishing it has been given, but it's made of plastic, so the glass like finishing gives it a good feel altogether. So that's the device. So let's boot the device. So we have the power and volume keys on the right side. The bottom panel has the USB Type-C port and the 3.5mm audio jack. The top panel does not have any openings or slot. The left side houses the SIM tray. So let's boot the device. In the meantime, let's also see what else comes inside the box. So we have an adapter. So let's just take the adapter voltage rating. So it's 5 volt 2 ampere, 9 volt 1.67 ampere. That's 15 watt fast charging is supported. Then you also get a default basic earphone included with the box package. And finally, you also get the USB Type-C cable for charging and data syncing. There is also a SIM ejector pin included in the box. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So that's the Samsung Galaxy A30. So as you can see that one of the important aspects and the feature highlight is the Super AMOLED display. It's a really treat to use this display. It's a really vibrant and colorful display, and we have the Samsung's One UI along with the Android 9.0. so you can see that it's quite similar to what we have seen on the Samsung Galaxy A50. So software version information, you can see Android 9.0, and the One UI is the latest version. One UI 1.1 is the version. So that's the software, and you also get to see all the features you found on the Samsung Galaxy A50. So you have the face unlock, the fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner is mounted on the back panel, unlike the A50 which had an in-display fingerprint scanner. So that's the difference, and you also get the new features in the One UI. Now looking at the camera, so here we have a 16 plus 5 megapixel camera. So it also supports the wide angle camera, so you can enable the wide angle camera from here. So that's the option. So there is also live focus and other options included. Pro mode is also included. So the camera interface is pretty nice and helpful interface, and you also get a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So that's the camera aspect of the Samsung Galaxy A30. So we'll be doing a detailed camera review soon, so stay tuned for that. So here are some samples we have taken with the Samsung Galaxy A30 after unboxing the device. So stay tuned for our detailed camera review to analyze how good the camera is. We'll also be comparing with other smartphones in this price segment. So for all those videos, stay tuned to our channel. The device also comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, and it should be able to give you more than a day of battery life easily, because this is a pretty good capacity battery for this price segment. So that is unboxing hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A30. Hope you enjoyed watching.